is Josh Wang and I'm delighted to be your customer service manager on this flight to Newquay. I want to say my personal welcome to you all and welcome back executive club members and our onboard frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it's safe to leave your seat, please take care and open the overhead lockers, as they may have moved and could have fallen and caused injury. In-seat powers will be available shortly once the seatbelt signs are switched off. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to once again to take this opportunity to share some important information about our new hygiene and safe distancing measures in flight. We ask you to stay in your seats as much as possible and avoid walking around the aircraft or queuing in the galley area. Before using the toilet,